3. You see, according to me, it's really game time, please get on your feet. Band in the back, drums sounding the beats. Left foot, right foot, time my cleats. 2. Pile season debut. Mary Queen of Victory, that's how we do. Hands on her chest, game starts in a few. Red, yellow, sunset, wonderful view. 1. Game time has come. 7 p.m. on the field, no sun. Hill on my chest, 24 on my back. In just 1 hour, the Piles have won. Yeah, we look back on the sports, the end is facing us. All our coaches and fans really embracing us. It's like adversity always seems to be chasing us. Lost hope for the game is not phasing us. We look back to the field and slowly drift away. All those games in the rain really gone today. On the field, under lights, we're ready to play. Hill Murray in our heart and it's here to stay. Late nights on the turf, but it's time to go. Section final on our minds, please enjoy the show. Undefeated was the goal, icy like the snow. Thinking of the coaches, really you just made us grow. It's out there where you really learn about yourself. Push your pride to the side, stick it on a shelf. Never quit, never doubt in sickness or health. There's no I in team, teamwork is really our wealth. Pioneer pride really is our history. Thanking all the people, Mary Queen of Victory. Sports preseason got us feeling jittery. What we would do without sports is a mystery. We rock green on our chest and we love the hue. Academics and sports bringing value. Hail Mary full of grace, always standing true. Hail Mary Stadium, we want to say thank you.